Okay, so straight to the point, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is just digital currency. That's all Bitcoin is. So again, kind of, it's just another form of currency. So look at it that way. Like just how you have US dollars or euros or whatever kind of currency it is, think of Bitcoin as just another type of currency. So, like I said, you can use it to purchase things, which is kind of how it started off. But then people kind of saw the value in trading it and kind of speculating on Bitcoin. And speculating is kind of like just trading it and investing in it. So that's kind of the point where we are now. If you fast forward to 2017, people speculate on Bitcoin. So they see it as an investment, as I think a lot of people are now. It's kind of turning heads, kind of getting more mainstream. So people are seeing it as an investment, and in my opinion, it's a great investment. Um, so I'll also kind of just talk about different strategies and really just things like I'm not going to say I'm not trying to be anybody's financial advisor or give financial advice. I was into stocks and trading, and I did think about going that route as far as getting my Series 7 and different licensing to be a financial advisor and investor on like a professional level. I decided not to. Um, but again, I'm not really trying to give, like, just take it with a grain of salt. Like, I'm just going to give you really my experiences, things that have worked for me, and I just want to help people to kind of get to where I'm at or even past me. And by no means am I like super rich, a millionaire, or anything like that, but I think we all strive to be in this day and age and to get to a point where we're pretty, well off or financially free, whatever terminology you want to use, but to just try to get to that point. So I just want to help people, um, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to try to do in these videos. So yeah, so pretty much Bitcoin, yeah, look at it as an investment, and just I've got some videos kind of showing people how to get into Bitcoin as far as how to buy Bitcoin. So check out those videos. I think each one is maybe 25 minutes long. Feel free to skip ahead or do whatever you need to. You can follow along with the whole video if you want, but if you want to just kind of skip through it and get to the main parts, whatever the case, just check out those videos and I kind of walk you through purchasing Bitcoin, the sites that I use to get set up and start buying Bitcoin. But I think if you're trying to get to a point where you're financially free, you should be purchasing Bitcoin. Me personally, I don't really believe in US dollars or any currency, any what I call fiat currency. I'm pretty much solely in the Bitcoin, so I really don't keep too much money in the bank. I just keep enough to pay bills and just a little bit of spending money for day to day life essentially. But the rest of it, I keep all in Bitcoins. Like why would I keep it in? Why I keep money in a bank that's not really making you money, and the bank is essentially using your money to make money. That's what banks do. So all your money that people keep in CDs or savings accounts or whatever, the bank is turning around and making a lot of money, millions of dollars off of your money, and you're really not making anything. You're making maybe like a 0.1% or less, or zero point 0.2 or 3% if you have your money in a CD. If it's in a savings account, it's super low. So why keep it in the savings account or any other account and not make any money off your money? No, like you should be putting that money into Bitcoin, and at least Bitcoin is making you money. Um, so again, like if you would have been buying Bitcoin, even in the beginning of this year, it was around $1,600 a coin when I started buying it at the beginning of this year. Not even the beginning, I would say around like March, April. Well, now fast forward to now, it's 42, $4,300 a coin. So if you started buying Bitcoin back then and you've held on to it, you just made mad money. Like what's that? Almost three times your money. So I just think Bitcoin is the way to go. Especially for just anybody who has any kind of aspirations to just get to a point where they're stable, financially free, whatever the case. So it didn't mean to really kind of go off on a tangent there, but I thought it was kind of important to say that. So I'll kind of wrap up this video, and like I said, I'm trying to break them up and have them around 5-6 minutes long, just so you're not having to sit through like a 30-minute video. No, you can just check out, the different videos that I put up. You can fast forward, skip through them, just hit the highlights if you want, and then keep it moving. So that'll wrap up this video. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, feel free to subscribe, like my videos, whatever the case, share it with friends. This is a real grassroots approach. Like I said, I'm kind of doing this to help out friends and family, and any other people I help out along the way, great. I love to help people. People that I meet, I talk cryptocurrency, which is just another name for Bitcoin or digital currencies. So you'll hear that a lot. So if that's the first time you've heard that terminology, yeah, it's called cryptocurrencies. So I'm always talking about them, love talking about them. And, kind of people say, hey, well, you should make some videos, a lot. So this is me doing that. So yeah, again, that'll wrap up this video. Thanks for listening. See you guys in the next video.